Welcome to Government Victoria College, Palakkad, a hub of tradition, innovation, and excellence in education. At the Department of History, we offer carefully designed minor courses that provide insightful perspectives into the shaping of the modern world and India's historical evolution. We offer 3 minor courses: History of Modern World, History of Modern India, and the Economic History of India. Minor 1, History of Modern World. This course introduces major political movements of the modern world and offers a basic understanding of the socio-economic ideas that contributed to its making. It creates awareness about global struggles for democratic rights and highlights the hardships of war, emphasizing the need for international peace and understanding. Semester 1 covers the Renaissance and Reformation, Royal Absolutism, Age of Scientific Revolution, Enlightenment movement, and an open-ended module analyzing the impact of major events and movements of world history from the 15th to the 19th centuries. Semester 2 dives into the American, French, Russian, and Chinese revolutions, along with an open-ended module on contemporary Latin American revolutions. Semester 3 focuses on the First and Second World Wars, post-World War politics, the world after the Cold War, and an open-ended module titled Liberalization, Privatization, and Globalization, LPG the Indian Context. Minor 2, History of Modern India. Semester 1 covers modern Indian history from 1757 to the early 20th century. Semester 2 focuses on the Gandhian phase of the Indian national movement. Semester 3 explores the post-independence era of modern India. This course is designed to raise awareness about the history of British colonialism and the growth of the Indian national movement. It also provides insights into various ideological strands of the movement and is especially beneficial for aspirants of civil services, KAS, and other government examinations. Minor 3, Economic History of India. Semester 1 covers the economic history of pre-modern India. Semester 2 focuses on the economic history of modern India. Semester 3 deals with the economic history of Kerala. This course aims to enhance students' understanding of the evolution and transformation of the Indian economy from prehistoric times to the present. It also introduces aspects of revenue administration and early financial management, offering valuable insights for candidates preparing for civil services, KAS, and other competitive examinations. In addition, the History Department offers an open MDC course titled Kerala Towards Modernity, designed for all students who are enthusiastic about exploring the evolution of modern Kerala. This course provides a comprehensive account of Kerala's transformation into a modern society, with a special focus on the impact of modern values, colonial interventions, and key socio-political developments. It aims to foster a deeper understanding of the changes in Kerala's social life during the modern era. Moreover, the course is especially beneficial for students preparing for PSC examinations, as it covers important topics related to Kerala's historical progress. We invite you to join the Department of History at Government Victoria College, Palakkad, and explore our enriching minor courses. Discover the past, understand the present, and prepare for a future shaped by knowledge and insight.